Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhamad Hilman, memang Hafiz, nombor matriks 23 DKM 19F1045 dari kelas DKM 4B. Ahli kumpulan saya terdiri daripada Muhammad Nuraiman bin Amran F1038, Shahrul Syamil bin Rozali F1044 dan Muhammad Fadhli bin Suhaimi F1054. Okey, hari ini saya akan menerangkan tentang lead machine, iaitu mesin larik. Mesin larik ataupun dalam bahasa Inggerisnya lead machine adalah mesin tunggal yang paling serba boleh digunakan di bengkel kejuruteraan. Walaupun pelbagai bentuk pelarik digunakan sebelum abad ke-18, tapi mesin larik ini dicipta oleh seorang mekanik Inggeris bernama Mohd. Terdapat banyak proses yang dapat dilakukan dengan menggunakan mesin larik, seperti pemotongan selari facing dengan permukaan luar atau dalam, iaitu facing. Penggerudian iaitu drilling, pemotongan benang skru, penggilap, tirus, mengikis, mengisar dan lain-lain lagi. Objektif saya pada hari ini ketika melakukan lead machine adalah kita perlu mengenali jenis pelarik. Sebagai contoh, 3-jaw. Objektif yang kedua, memahami fungsi mesin larik dan cara menggunakan mesin larik. Yang ketiga, mengetahui sudut, jenis bahan dan penggunaan alat. Dan yang terakhir, dapat mengetahui kaedah bagaimana mengendalikan benda kerja yang akan dipegang pada mesin larik.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Mohd Fadhli bin Suhaimi. Matric number is 23 DKM 19F 1054. So my group member and I, also Nuraiman, Syamil and Muhammad Hilman. So I want to do about lead machine lah. Now I want to talk about work material and equipment for the lead machine lah. Alright. So the work equipment is such as safety glasses, hard leader shoes, tool eyes, lead machine, vernier caliper, tool eye handle, bed clothes, lubricating oil, Allen key and also cooling liquid. So there is the equipment for lead machine. Okay, there are some safety precautions that should to follow when to do a lead machine. Okay, so firstly, do not play and joke around while controlling the running machine. And then, comply with the instruction given. Next, avoid wearing jewelry items such as watch, rings, chains, and each other. And then ensure that the machine is in perfect condition before starting the operation. Okay, so there's some safety precaution when to do a lead machine.
Okay, now I will talk about the first 10 of working procedures when using lead machine. Okay, firstly, we need to install the tool in the tool holder and make sure the tool is in perfect condition with supporters of the workpiece. Secondly, attach the workpiece on the machine that has 3 jaws. Thirdly, we need to start turning the face to the workpiece length to be 60mm. And then we need to attach the drill point center to make a center hole. Make a hole using a drill point to support the workpiece using a supporter of the workpiece. Okay, number 5, support the workpiece using a supporter of the workpiece. Number 6, begin turning the side to be 48mm width and 20mm length. 7, make sure a hole size of 36mm using a drill points with radius 16mm. drill up to 15 mm. 8th, boring the hole to get the depth. The depth is 15 mm. 9. Spray the surface in the middle of his back and neatly angled 90 degrees. Lastly, make the midline with angle 90 degrees with use head screw gauge. Next is Afad or Fadhli.
Okay, now I will continue the 10 last of procedure lah about lathe machine. Okay, number 10, make the midline with angle 90 degree with use height screw gauge, and then size circle 15 mm in radius using a compass, and then make a point with use center point on the circle punch in contact with the center line. Okay, next, attach the workpiece for jaw lathe machine. Make sure that the spray surface in front. Next, install the tool in the tool holder and make sure the tool is in perfect condition with supporter of the workpiece. Okay, and then start turning edge up to 30 mm width and 40 mm length. Okay, next, make 4 mm groove width and depth of 26 mm. The distance between the groove of the front surface of the workpiece is 6 mm. Okay, next, install the tool with radius 3 mm and then run up to be a radius of 3 mm. Next, perform the angle chamfer on the front surface about 45 degree. And lastly, attach the workpiece 3-jaw lathe machine and do chamfer angle. Okay, for the conclusion, the goal of lathe is to provide knowledge to students about the function of lathe machine, how to use it, safety measure, accuracy of measurement, and how to measure it, as well as the distribution of time. Sometimes there are some lathe to do not work properly. Lathe machine operating skills need to be learned and understood from time to time so that expertise in lathe machine operation can be improved. So